welcome back to the Banyan tree. In this video I will be showing you how to make this delicious vegan French toast. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to begin, you will need a bowl, a fork, and a spatula, and if you'd like a whisk, a skillet, and here are the ingredients. Some ground cinnamon, some veggie sal, some garlic powder, some onion powder, nutritional yeast flakes, and just egg. I also used grapeseed oil, and I used some vanilla. So to begin making our batter, I poured in about a third of the just egg bottle. I added in a lot of yeast flakes to my taste, but you can make it to yours. Some onion powder, always use less of garlic powder, it is intense, and some veggie sal, which is salty, so be careful. I added the cinnamon and the vanilla last, and now I'm just whisking it until I get the desired consistency, which you can see here. This is what we're going for. You can also add some black salt to make the taste more eggy. I chose not to. I used some potato bread, and I bought these beautiful strawberries to top off with, but you can choose whatever bread and fruit you like. This is my method for avoiding sogginess. I will coat each side a few times and then take it out quickly and put it into the pan. But first we have to oil our pan. I used way too much oil, but I did drain it later. So what I do is I add in the French toast, and then I add more batter on top once it's in the pan, because I do like it a little bit more thick when it comes to the egg part. And so I'm just doing more of that here, and then cleaning my pan because I'm OCD like that. Clean pan, clean mind, that's all I'm saying. And then I'm just flipping and cleaning. I'm not flipping, I'm just cleaning. It's okay. Clean mind, that's all I'm saying. And I just continue pouring until I run out of batter. You can brown to whatever level that you like. I personally like my egg a little bit more on the cooked side. If you like it more runny, you can cook accordingly, and more pan cleaning because we need a clean mind. But yeah, the rest of this is really just flipping until you get the desired browning that you like. I will say that once the oil runs out, you have to be careful not to burn. But this is the browning that I was happy with, and so I left off cooking at that point. And now I'm just plating the French toast and adding the fruit and the toppings. I use some Earth Balance for this. You can use other butter alternatives, but that's just my preference. I'm not judging you if you have Earth Balance or other things, because I could have Earth Balance for I could have it forever. Who am I kidding? I could have Earth Balance forever. I'm just chopping some strawberries here, and if you're wondering if I intended to drown out the French toast completely from view and cover it with strawberries, yes, that was my intention. I do like strawberries. I'm just adding some maple syrup here to finish it off, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you try it, and please let me know if you do, and please come back for another video.